Hello friend, this is Dr. Chandrakant Kothare from Elite Academy Varda. I welcome you on the YouTube channel of Elite Academy Varda. Please share it and like it. My dear friends, we all know that this is the time period of coronavirus infections among the public, which create a panicness among the students as well as among the parents. Now the main question which arises inside the minds of the students is that where to join the tuitions? Where to join the tuitions outside the Maharashtra or outside the Varda or at Varda? Now, as far my opinion is concerned, the answer is very simple. We have to join the tuitions at Varda. The basic reason behind this opinion is that very first thing is Varda comes under the green category, green zone as per government, and secondly, internet convert this word into a single village, so you can get a same thing at Varda which you extract from the so-called branding college. Now dear friends, let me introduce about my Elite Academy. I started Elite Academy in the year 1999. So now just imagine, just consider we have spent near about 20 years in this education sector. So now we have to consider the 5 topmost reasons why you have to join Elite Academy for the coaching of JEE, NEET, CET and your regular physics, chemistry, maths, biology classes. The very first topmost reason is that you don't have to join separate tuition classes at a separate place, which spends a lots of timing to travel from one place to another. So when you join, we give the very best facility of all the subject at one place. Secondly, we have the experienced MTech, PhD faculty in their different fraternity. I personally carry my education from the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Varda. I am proud to be an alumni of Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Varda. I complete my MTech from the Government Engineering College Amravati, which is the best engineering college amongst the best engineering college in India. Now then I complete my PhD in mechanical engineering. I cracked GRE TOEFL exams of USA universities in 2003 and got admission University of Oklahoma, University of Tennessee, USA in 2003. So my other faculties have proved their credentials in their respective faculty. A second reason is that batch size. We enroll only 30 students in a single batch. So now you can imagine we have face-to-face, one-to-one student-teacher interaction. So every student of us is very. Let me deliver you the fourth reason why to join Elite Academy is the affordable fee structure. We have the affordable fee structure for all. Dear friends, let me clear you, this is not my business, it's my passion. I carry the knowledge from my teachers and I serve the same knowledge to the next generation. I personally believe in the Gurukul Parampara. So the affordable fee structure is a key feature of Elite Academy. So join Elite Academy for the coaching of NEET, JEE, CET and regular physics, chemistry, math, biology subjects. Now dear friends, have you ever think when you sit in the class of the 100 or 1000 students, all pays the fees, and how many percentage of the students are passing there and how many percentage of how many students shine there? If you think in a class of 100, only 1 or 2 students shines and score a good mark. What about 98 or 99 students, and what is the percentage of shining? The percentage of shining is 0.01%. So just imagine the money spent by the 98 or 99 students is just to pay the entertainment tax for 1 or 2 students. So at Elite Academy we just admitted 30 students. Every student is very special to me, and I always try to bring the best among 30 students. I am proud to say since from 1999 not a single student failed at Elite Academy. So now the very important and last reason why to join Elite Academy is the innovative, sustainable education system. My dear friends, we have our own tailored world-class notes which we make at our own place. We didn't copy, paste from others' notes and change the cover. This is the common habit among the tutors. So we made our own notes and we conduct daily, weekly, monthly a test to score the good marks among to score the good marks in the subjects. Now dear friends, if someone asks me what is your 3 first three topmost priorities I will answer my students and my students. So thank you.